SOUN has been under pressure for a while now, and honestly, this chart still feels like it's searching for a bottom. Buyers are trying to defend that 6.05 support, which is encouraging, but they're still well below the key resistance around 6.78. For me, that's the level that matters. If buyers can reclaim it with strong volume, then maybe this turns into something worth watching. Until then, this still looks like a stock making lower highs and lower lows. I'd rather wait for confirmation than try to catch the exact bottom. If you want my exact execution framework and the setups I'm personally watching before market open, it's inside the Patreon. Link in the description.